Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can use ChatGPT to upload your YouTube videos. Okay, so with this method, you can quickly upload your YouTube videos. So let's start our video. So first of all, you may have a video. For example, here you can see I have made 3 videos for my YouTube channel. So I have uploaded these 2 videos. And now I just want to upload this video. Okay, so first of all, you have to give a random title to your YouTube video. Like here I have given the title as hide, like and view count on Instagram. Okay, so the first step is you just have to open ChatGPT. So here you just have to command ChatGPT as give me a catchy title on your YouTube video. And if you don't like this title, then you can always regenerate a new title by just clicking here. Okay, so for now I have liked this title, so I will go back to my first title and I will simply copy my title from here. Okay, so I will show you the results of this video after maybe 2 or 3 weeks. So let's follow up this channel and I will show you the results. And now here I will just edit my YouTube videos title. Now it's done. The next step is you just have to open your YouTube account. So by the way, this is my new YouTube channel. I have specially made this channel for related to Instagram videos. So here I will simply click on this create and I will go to upload videos. And in the next step, you can either select files from here or you can do drag and drop. So I personally prefer to do drag and drop. So I will go to here and I will simply drop my video here. Now the next step is to write a description. Okay, so again we will go to ChatGPT. So here you can see when you have given a command to ChatGPT, then it has given you a complete description for your YouTube video. Okay, so you can just scroll it from here and you can simply copy this description. Okay, and you can just go to your upload section and here you can simply paste the description. Okay, so make sure that your description is within 5,000 words. Here I just want to delete this timestamp. So the next step will be to use thumbnail. Okay, so again you have to go to ChatGPT. For thumbnail you can just write as hide, likes and views on Instagram. I will make the thumbnail at the end of this video. So after that you can just select a playlist. Now the third step is to add text to your YouTube video. Okay, so I will again go to ChatGPT. You can just simply copy from here. I will go to Notepad and first of all I will just simply paste my text here. After using Notepad you can just simply order your hashtags like this, and after copying it from here you can simply paste your text. Okay, so these are my YouTube video tags. So in the next step I will just go to next and I will go to next. So in the next step I have got these different options. I will go with the public option, and if you are a YouTuber then you may know all these other options. So here I will click on this publish. Now after following all these steps given by ChatGPT, if I go back to my YouTube video and if I simply refresh my page, then here you can see I have successfully uploaded this video as illustrated by it. I will make a separate video regarding the analytics for this video and we will see how the ChatGPT suggestion has performed for our YouTube video. So stay tuned for more videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel.